Gai mar jong'ad buche mano sedhi rutaya David Maraga odhi nyime gi seyo piny owacho kotenre kod nek mar rawere manotimore kinde ng'anyo mano obede pacho kae. Kaluwore kod Maraga en ratiro mar jo Kenya bago ng'anyo thuolo momigi kod pend chike mathurkaya.
The state which is terrorizing. Why are we saying that? If they are not able to raise the bond terms, they are taken to committee maximum prison, where they are now mixed with the suspects, who could themselves now be the persons who are rightly charged with terrorism. What are you doing with that? You are radicalizing these young people. In fact, that is already a serious challenge to the country. You don't want to terrorize the young people when they are at the end of the day released, having gone through all that. You can imagine what will be going on in their minds. We are saying, look, let the state, do its work properly and stop this issue of terrorizing young people who are just asking for their rights, demonstrating and asking for their rights.